Ever wonder why we yawn, even when we're not tired? Turns out yawning isn't just about being sleepy. It's your brain's way of cooling down. When you yawn, you draw in cool air, helping lower the temperature of your brain. Just like a computer that overheats, your brain needs a quick refresh to stay sharp and alert. That's why you might yawn more when you're stressed or thinking hard. Your brain's basically saying, I need a breather. Your brain's got its own cooling system. How cool is that? Follow BrainBites for more amazing mind facts. Brain with smoke coming out of it.